Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a variety of text-to-speech tools that you can use for your business. First one is one of my favorites. It's called ElevenLabs.io. I've already done a full video reviewing all of the voices on this particular website, so let me just do a quick sample for you.
How realistic do AI voices sound?
As you guys can see, it sounds pretty good. Next up we have Synthesia.io, I believe that's how you pronounce it. So this website's a bit more advanced because it has the ability to combine avatars with the text-to-speech. I just wanted to make sure that in this video I kind of gave you a variety of different options for what different people could be looking for. As you guys can see, they have 125 and over 120 languages and accents. But yeah, this one's really a really nice product. The next one is DID, and I really like this one because it has a variety of options with text-to-speech. Not only does it have avatars, but you can also combine it with ChatGPT, so it has a, well, I don't know why this has an error right here, but it has like that little circle right here, and then you can also use your images to kind of bring them to life. So it's really interesting. It gives content creators more of an option. Alright, next up we have the Cloud Text-to-Speech from Google, and let me go ahead and do a quick sample.
Marcy Newell will teach you how to use AI software. It's amazing.
Right, so the voice sounds pretty good. You can, have a variety of different voices, and there's different ways that you can actually be able to edit. So next up we have Murf.AI. Let me do a quick sample of this one.
Marcy will teach you how to use AI software.
Alright. So you can see they have like 3 little options, but here they have 120 voices. Alright, next up, I love the IBM products. This is probably one of my favorites to use. So it's gonna be a bit pricier. All right, now you're starting to deal with more, but like I said, I wanted to give variety. So with Watson, you can definitely have more advanced control over your text-to-speech solutions. And here you go. Let's do a quick sample.
Marcy can create amazing content with AI.
Alright, so it's pretty good, and of course you can also adjust the pitch and do all of that, the speed. And next up we have, this is with Descript. Probably on social media, this one is more people are more aware of this product.
Marcy can create amazing content with AI software.
It still sounds pretty good. Next up we have this one. I'm not going to do a full sample with all of you because there are a lot of websites to go through. Let me do a few more samples and then I'll just show you the different websites so that you can start to have a variety of tools that you can figure out which one works best for you, the voices, the pricing, the structure, and all of that. So with this one, let me pick someone. Okay, let's do
A remarkable man in possession of limitless curiosity and intellect, Elon Musk makes a fascinating subject.
Alright, so that's interesting. You focus on the cadence, the depth, the voice, where it pauses. It's starting to sound a bit more natural. But you can do that with a lot of these tools, so that's something to look for as far as a feature that allows you to actually adjust those parameters so it sounds more natural. Alright, next we have a website called Narakeet.com. And I mean, they have a bunch of different voices. Let me just pick. Okay, let's go with Nancy.
New York City traces its origins to a trading post founded by colonists.
Alright, I mean, that sounds pretty good too. It's a little robotic, but of course, Kapwing, they have a nice set of tools. Like I said, I'm not going to go through every single website, but as far as showing samples, but so there's Kapwing, they have text-to-speech, V.io. Every time I come to this website, I just want to say video. and then I just stopped myself anyway. So yeah, they have a text-to-speech tool. Of course, CapCut has a text-to-speech tool. It's probably one of my favorite editing softwares. Next up, we have Resemble.AI. This one's pretty cool too because you can combine it to bring, your images like from Midjourney to life and your avatars and stuff. So, and you use it with, in order to create, oh no. All right, next up we have Resemble.AI, and this is probably something fun and interesting when you hear about people online turning their voices like into celebrity voices. So this is where I don't know if I should play this one with the Morgan Freeman voice, but you guys can go to that website and check it out yourself. So next up we have Filmora, from Wondershare. They have a text-to-speech tool. Next, Voice.AI, similar to Resemble. It's great for also being able to what they call, voice cloning, which is when, for example, I could upload, my own voice, or, you can try to do a celebrity or someone else to try to customize and train your own voice. Of course, with Adobe Audition, you can generate speech super easy in order to create text-to-speech. Next up, we have Listnr, and did I already do this one? No, I don't think so. Let me just click on Listnr.
With the best AI voices in over 70 different languages.
Next up, we have Nvidia with their text-to-speech tool, and I really do have to do a full video on all the different AI tools from this company because they're really good, and I really like how I can incorporate them into a lot of projects. So it's a great option. Next up, we have another app. It's called Speechify, and here again we go with, there have to be so many new laws, policies, and regulations for this kind of stuff, but it's fun right now until, we'll see. But yeah, so this is kind of fun things to play with. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of, variety. All right, next up we have, this is just an article. So yeah, of course, Meta does have their own text-to-speech. They use it for their, started with their, with the chats and all of that. So don't forget to look into more of what Meta is doing with their text-to-speech tools, especially if you're a developer. Next up, we have OpenAI with Whisper, and of course, we have to wait on this a bit more. This is, I believe it's still being researched, but you should be aware of it so that when it does come out, you can just, bookmark it and then find out more about it. Especially if you're into ChatGPT, it's great when you'll be able to have multiple tools all in one place. All right, next up, this is just something that you should be aware of with VALL-E and their language model. This is something that you should really look up and, just keep checking in on it, right? All right, and with Azure, this is the one that is ready with their text-to-speech product. And on this page, you can see that they have more of a description as far as their speech to text and then text to speech and their voice assistants and how you can actually connect all of the different variables together. So it's a nice thing to have, especially if you want to also do transcription for your blogs and just be able to have an all-in-one product. So like I said, I wanted to give you guys different options. And one thing that I did want to show you, that this is just a quick tutorial if you want to just check that out. And last but not least, of course, Amazon also has their own text-to-speech. So you can check that out. Research more about it. It's called Amazon Poly. So you can go ahead and, this is the page where you can find more information on it. Just wanted to give you guys a variety of different options. So for example, if you're starting as a YouTuber or if you are a growing business, now you have a different perspective as far as what to look for the different companies that are offering text-to-speech services, or you can be like me right now. I was ready to do a bunch of videos and now my voice is kind of gone. So I was like, well, this is the perfect time for me to look up some of this software so I can still do what I need to do. I hope you enjoyed all the different options for the text-to-speech tools, and make sure to leave me a comment and let me know which tool was your favorite, or which tool do you use that could be beneficial to others. And support the channel, subscribe, you guys. I would really appreciate that. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye-bye.